Good morning, dear students. My name is ТУЛЕУОВА Л.К. I am an English language teacher. I work at the Higher College of New Technologies named after М.Өтебаев, and today I will introduce you the video lesson. Plan of the lesson: organizational moment, phonetic drill, warm-up activity, explanation of new grammar theme, consolidation of the new theme, conclusion. The aims of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, students will be better able to understand and use the present continuous in the context of present experiences. This lesson aims at helping students develop their reading, writing, and listening skills. This lesson will help learners to talk about their future plans. In this lesson, students will be better able to understand and use the spelling rules of present continuous tense. Phonetic drill. Students, today we'll take the sound A. Open syllable A. Late, make, raise, able, stable. Next step is warm-up activity. We'll play a game. I'll show you the picture. You should guess. What is happening here? Look closer at each picture and try to guess. Good luck. Is he taking a photo or clapping his hands? He is taking a photo. He isn't clapping his hands. Is she wearing glasses or a hat? She is wearing glasses. She isn't wearing a hat. Are they flying a kite or drinking water? They are drinking water. They aren't flying a kite. Is he standing in front of a fence or behind a fence? He's standing behind a fence. He isn't standing in front of a fence. Is he carrying a dog or two children? He is carrying a dog. He isn't carrying two children. Is he playing with a cat or taking a bath? He's taking a bath. He isn't playing with a cat. Is he working or playing rugby? He is working. Explanation. I am going to explain you the rules of present continuous through the video. The present continuous. When do we use the present continuous? The first, to describe something happening right now. The teacher is trying to teach the class. Andy is driving to work. Helen and Kate are talking. The second, something we think to be temporary. John is working from the London office for 6 months. 6 months is temporary periods of time. Lewis and Juliet are living abroad for the summer. The summer is another temporary period of time. Greg is saving money to buy a new house. Greg is saving money for a temporary period of time. The third, something that happens again and again. Mary is always complaining. We use the word always to emphasize that the action happens again and again. Jessica is always working. Annabella is always going on holiday. In present continuous tense, for first person, we use the helping verb am plus verb plus ing. For third person, in singular form, we use helping verb is plus verb plus ing. For second person, we use helping verb are plus verb plus ing. In order to be negative sentences, we use the not after helping verbs am, is, are. For example, he is not watching a movie. Question sentence begins with helping verbs am, is, are. For example, is he watching a movie? Note: we don't repeat auxiliary be when we talk about two or more actions. We are doing an experiment and making notes. Present continuous or present simple. The earth moves around the sun. It's present simple, a general fact. I'm working on my science project. It's present continuous at the moment. Verbs not usually in present continuous. Thoughts and opinions. Think, understand, know, suppose, believe, want, remember, forget, depend, and agree. Feelings. Like, love, hate, feel, prefer, and need. Senses. See, hear, hate, and smell. Basic senses meanings with can. I can see, etc. I see, I understand. I hear, people tell me. Present simple and continuous with different meanings. I think it's a good idea. Present simple for opinion. I am thinking about it. Present continuous for actions. I haven't decided yet. I am having a great time. Present continuous for actions. Happening now. The surface feels hard. Present simple for description. Spelling rules. One-syllable verbs ending in one vowel plus one consonant. Double the consonant and add ing. Sit, sitting. Get, getting. Put, putting. Verbs ending in e, drop e before adding ing. Like, liking. Write, writing. Verbs ending ie, change ie to y. Lie, lying. Die, dying. Two-syllable verbs ending in one vowel and one consonant usually double the final consonant and add ing. Travel, traveling. Admit, admitting. All other verbs add ing. Play, playing. Feel, feeling. Task number 1. Complete the sentence with the affirmative form of the verb in brackets. Look, all the people are leaving. Task number 2. Underline the correct form. Scientists do not understand, are not understanding everything about the universe. You should choose The correct variant, in this case, correct variant is scientists do not understand everything about the universe because it's a general fact. Complete these 2 tasks in written form and send to the college nation site. Let's sing a song according to our theme.
I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. I am flying, I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high clouds to be near you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever crying, to be with you. Who can say? Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever crying, to be with you. Who can say?
We have worked very well today. Thank you for attention.